Last time we spoke, our protocol has gone from strength to strength. Each month, we've seen an improvement in both our settlement times and improvement in our fees. We've spent a lot of time proving that our protocol is very robust and can handle scale, proven over the last couple of months. And now we're going to be ramping up volume aggressively. So let me take you through the improvements we've seen. We've seen a reduction in fees by 85% since we launched back in September. Now we're seeing an average fee of 0.37 bips, which is extremely low compared to the plus 2 bips when we launched back in September. This is largely due to us seeing a higher percentage of intents that are netted on the protocol. And also we've been optimizing our protocol to reduce fees internally as well. We've seen a reduction by 75% in settlement time. With this, the median settlement time for an intent on Everclear is now 29 minutes in February, which is down from 2 hours at launch, which is fantastic. This is largely due to our increased volumes, which has seen more netting, which means that the intents are settling in the first epoch rather than being invoiced, which leads to faster settlement. And also we've been working very closely with our market makers to ensure that they're filling orders within the SLAs. And of course, that happens only if the intent is not netted. We have also introduced a liquidity provider of last resort. We've actually introduced our own market maker bot, which is called Mark. This has also helped to improve our settlement time in the instance where either an intent is not netted internally or filled by a market maker. We have a plan B, which is we use our own internal solver called Mark to go and fill those intents. And so far, we've launched an MVP. It's only operational on 2 origin chains, so Ethereum Mainnet and Binance Smart Chain. And it's currently only filling orders that are quite small, so less than $10,000. The reason we rolled this out is we realized that there could be occasions where we need some redundancy. So we've put this in place. What it's allowed us to do is really bring down those settlement times to under 30 minutes. And it's been very effective so far on those 2 chains. The next step for Mark is we're going to open source code for Mark in the coming weeks. And the reason we want to do this is we want to allow anyone to become a market maker on Everclear and go and solve invoices for us. I think this will really help our ecosystem and start to create a flywheel effect where our community can actually get involved. Mark V1 coming soon as well. So right now, like I said, it's restricted to just 2 destination chains for the rebalancer. We're going to open it up to all our destination chains, which we've increased dramatically, which you'll hear about very soon. We're going to also increase the intent size that it can fill and then do some internal tweaks to make sure it's operating as efficiently as possible. So if anyone else decides to pick up Mark and use it for themselves, they've got a very robust market making bot to use.